Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by selecting the problematic object and applying transforms so scale and rotation don't lie to your tools. Once done, enter edit mode and switch to vertex selection. Visually enable non-manifold overlays to see holes and loose geometry. Next, merge duplicate vertices with merge by distance. Set a small 0.0001 threshold and inspect results. This removes micro-duplicates that break normals and topology. Make sure you undo and try a different threshold if you erase expected detail. Now focus on orientation and topology. Recalculate normals to outside and manually flip stubborn faces. Incorrect normals cause shading and Boolean failures. Then isolate and remove interior faces or loose islands that create non-manifold edges. Select by area or use select non-manifold and delete problematic faces. Use the knife tool for controlled cuts and fill to rebuild clean polygons, aiming for even edge flow and avoiding long, skinny triangles. Proper topology prevents shading artifacts and keeps modifiers predictable. Finish by examining modifiers. Apply mirror, solidify, or Boolean only after topology is clean. Remesh or decimate at conservative settings to avoid losing detail. Make sure UVs, shape keys, and vertex groups remain intact before export, and apply transforms if required by the target pipeline. If something still looks wrong, run the 3D print toolbox or the select non-manifold check. Often recalculating normals and remerging by distance resolves lingering issues. If not, revert to a saved version and isolate the failing operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.